I'm Michael Thiel, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at HaF Equipment. Located near Minneapolis, Minnesota, HaF Equipment designs and supplies automated dry and liquid ingredient handling systems. We've been serving the bakery industry for 30 plus years. Our team focuses on increasing production capacity, offering operator safety enhancements, and improving batching consistency and dough quality. HaF can design a custom solution for your next project, or we can offer a variety of off-the-shelf equipment that's ready to go today. Whether it's a retrofit of existing equipment or a complete turnkey system, HaF has the experience in the bakery industry to make a difference for the end user. The bakery industry is so important to us, and that's why HaF is going to be at NEXUS this October. If you're going to be attending, sign up for a Spark session with us. Or if there's something we can help with today, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear more about your company and discuss how HaF can help streamline your success. Check out more of what HaF has to offer your business at hafequipment.com. Hope to see you at NEXUS.